cry. Mafi cry.
Elvis is crying, not Basim.
Basta Mafi ka lang na.
Yala Basim, make him cry.
So, 10 years passing fast. I saw you in 2014. You was crazy.
Ay! It's so weird.
In the store, he was doing a lot of things. But then, he was in the relationship with Jan. They was together and they are supporting each other and terms of
What?
supporting. 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, you come home.
We're always together.
Fruit of Odik of is like a wanted. Wanted. 20 forever.
Okay, it will not end.
Yeah, it will be forever. And see you soon, inshallah, as a visitor in Saudi Arabia.
Just don't forget to bring Canadians.
Yeah.
Wala naman masyadong banding sa iyo. Pero thank you sa lahat. Sa bayo mo. Lalo na itong bandang huli. Alam mo na yun. Salamat.
Okay. English. Alam na ko, things. Thank you, sir, for giving another chance to Jose to work as an office staff. And nagkaroon siya ng opportunity na magkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na magsama. Thank you, sir, kasi ikaw yung nakakita ng time na ma-enhance yung knowledge ni Jose. At saka salamat, sir, kasi hindi dahil sa iyo. Kasi ewan kung alam mo.
Wala yun.
Pero salamat sa lahat kasi nandiyan ka for us.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything. And sana makarating ka sa Dubai. Sorry, sa Canada.
Lipat na ito kayo.
Sorry.
May stopover
Yung
kasi din.
plan sa'yo ni Lord, yun yung mapangyayari. Opportunity na ipagkakalob sa'yo ni Lord in the future. Thank you very much. Kinihag.
More Canadian. Si Marty.
I just want to invite.
Okay lang Tagalog kasi.
I just want to inform everybody that you are the reason.
English minutes. Doon talaga ako maiiyak.
Alam mo,
Your wife. The reason of your wife, oh.
in the office. I thank God because I met you, sir.
Wow!
There's a
Nahiya pa siya, hindi pa niya
thank you, sir. Naging instrument kami, Lord, para alam mo yun, alam mo lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Napakalaking ambag mo sa buhay. Sobrang salamat.
Parang hindi naman. Hinalo ko yung kasama. Ngayon na lang tayo
sobrang ambag ni Sir sa akin. Kaya nagpapasalamat. Kasi nakilala.
15 lang yung ambag ng asawa siya, 20.
Oo naman! Ay! Ay!
Sister, Dr. Naidi, kasi my neighbor.
Nagpunta ka na mo?
I saw you a lot of time, but actually we engaged in the Christmas party that night.
Drinking.
Lot of things. I think it's very good.
We heard each other, and because he's not working in the restaurant. So I mean, but like, thank you for like the friendship and everything, like, and I mean, like, thank you for sharing your good relationship with other, like, every time we have night out and everything. I will really miss this somehow. Like, it's from me and Danny and Merly. I hope you.
Hey!
I hope you like it. And you can use I hope that's the start of your, looking for a good relationship there maybe when someone smells him.
Hello, my friend. We'll see each other. Ibuko mo na lang siya, be. Ibuko mo.
Wala.
Ibuko mo na lang, be. Charis.
Wala. Si Elvis naman kasi. Hindi.
Sorry. Tomboy pala.
No, he's a good friend to me. And also, he's my trainer in Jawarat. Okay. I have a lot of... Marami naman ako natutunan sa kanya. Wala na English. Siyempre, mamimiss ko yung mga kakimihan natin. Oo, share the goodness natin.
Share the good.
Sa amin lang yun, syempre. Pero syempre, happy ako para sa iyo kasi good luck to your new journey. Mamimiss kita ng sobra.
Oh,
Kasi wala nang katulong magluto dito ba?
Pari ng catering.
Alam mo na akong masabi din eh. No matter what happens, I was struggling. I have only 5 words for you. Ang aking favorite, you are very much amazing.
Michael Cinco! Unpalpable dream!
Diba? Ulitin mo ulit. Hindi ka na makakalaman sa pretty much. Ayun lang naman.
Thank you mga kolokos, Jonathon.
Best friend.
Sisihan na si PCB Boy.
Elvis, wala tayo masyadong bonding pero every time we're bonding, it's fun. And simple lang ang message ko. Whatever you want, whatever you do, enjoy life and be happy.
Thanks lang yun, sir. Na-pressure tuloy si Jonathan.
Oh my God!
Bobo ka, di ba? Sabi niyo you're bobo.
Every morning, I'm bullying him every morning. That's what I will say. You know, I cannot do it with the because he's too nice. He's not bobo, that's the problem. You know that, but you're smart. Outside you're but inside you're smart. I will miss your ulam. I don't know when I return from vacation. I don't know how to do, but
Parang jowa.
for almost a month, right?
So magbumalik siya, wala na.
The last day.
Ayun na lang pare! Ay, sana naman ang natira dito. Taganyo. Siguro yun to. Gago ka daw.
Wala kang bad sabihin.
I know. I understand. Kalas.
Wala kang matinong sasabihin. Baka si Amboy pa yung umiyak dito Thank you lang.
Ay, meron pala ako ba?
Ang sweet.
Open. Open pa talaga. Ano naman to? Tangina Omega to.
Malamig kasi doon.
Tama. Oo, malamig dun. Tsaka walang bakala dun, be.
May batteries pa yan. Para saan yung battery?
Elvis, yung akin ha, itabi mo lang ha. Usapan natin ha.
Gusto umiyak si Elvis.
Wala mo akong sinabi.
Ito nice.
Wala sabihin?
Hindi siya expressive.
Nararamdaman ko lang.
Bobo yan.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Three words lang.
No, Elvis and I met January 6. January 6, 2014.
From the interview.
Sa Star Wars.
Right to the interview.
Yes, I saw Elvis walking, wearing orange jacket in the middle of the afternoon. Exactly 2 p.m. Yes.
Kasi ano, siyempre, probinsyano.
Oo, probinsyano siya noon. Tapos, una ko siya nakita. Ako kasi naka-Amerikana noon eh. Tapos hindi marunong sa grammar. Na-meet ko siya noon, tapos nakita ko sa kanya. Nagka-crush agad ako kay LG.
Tapos married ka ngayon!
Tapos bayad ka lang. Tapos, nagkatuluyan sila ni Marlon. Hindi siya, yung pangit na version. Ano sino naman ni Marlon? I'm sad kasi wala na.
Ikaw na lang.
Baka pagtulungan na nila ako. And sana maging maayos ka doon, makatagpo ka ng somebody na mag-take care sa'yo. Kasi dito marami kang friends, marami nang kaalaga sa'yo, marami doon.
To steal my clothes. Yes. Always.
Elvis.
Siya pala yung
Hello.
Kwento mo yung unang nangyari sa atin.
Hello.
Ikwento mo paano nagsimula.
Hindi lang sa Canada, first is here. Kasi nadala ko silang dalawa, right? Or three here na. Sabi nga ni JR, I mean, he's your trainer, right? But for me, both of you are my trainers. When I started in Hera. And third, thank you for cooking spaghetti on my birthday medal.
Ginala ko yan, pag nag-spaghetti yan, may tinatarget, diba?
Sabi nga nila daw, pag may alak, may balak. Siya parang may spaghetti.
May balak.
Okay, and also as a workmate, since matagal din tayo nagka-work sa kung saan-saan, 10 years, yung mga ganong mga technicals. Thank you so much sa lahat. Magkikita pa naman tayo at taga-Laguna na ako. So,
Pa-reserve kami, please.
taga-Laguna na rin ako soon. Pero yan yung magkikita pa rin naman tayo. Hindi ka naman mag-stay sa Canada for sure. Inshallah. Okay. And yes, in behalf of Janice, kasi bumulong siya sa akin, he'll miss you. Okay, thank you so much, Elvis, sa lahat-lahat.
Sir James. Message ka ba? Friend, message lang. Pakita mo, hindi ko ipa-impake yung bagahe mo. Taras lang. Joke lang.
Yun na ba, makikinig ka rin.
Pampayakin ni Elvis,
Yan talaga yung iyo.
Magaling lang ito mag-okray dito.
Wala kang matinong sasabihin kasi. Kaya nga, for the first time. Tanggap ko yung pagkatao ni Amboy eh. Ganun talaga siya eh. Ganun talaga. Ilabas mo na yung inner. Ako naman mag-message. Inner heart. Ikaw naman magsalita.
Hindi siya muna.
Nag-message na siya eh. Magsalita nga pa. Parang wala kang mic. Huwag na mag-mic. First of all, thank you so much. Thank you for the friendship. Thank you for helping me, guiding me, for supporting me, for being there whenever I need every one of you through thick and thin. So that's all. I just want to say thank you, everyone. I mean, I love you all, and I'm always
We're gonna miss you, Sam.
going to miss you. I'm gonna miss you all.
Miss you
Really?
too.
Talaga ba? You'll always be part of my story yes, and heart. So I'm not going to forget everyone of you. Thank you so much.
Bet.
Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other again. But here's where my heart will stay with you.
Naniniwala kami na magiging successful ang journey mo, Elvis.
Amen!
Salamat sa iyo.
Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Farewell This song is for my friend. Yes. We used to be pride and instead to cry. Things we don't really understand why. We love for a moment, it's time to cry. We were crazy. Now at the end is already here, and we reminisce about our guns and cheers. Even if our lives her race, we never clear. Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other again. Don't cry 'cause it's not. Ay, kunyari, hindi mo alam. Of everything. I may be a million miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. Happy birthday, my friends, with you. Please welcome our next guest. Hi. And that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. And that's what friends are for. You're shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, forevermore. That's what.
Pumunta ka kay Elvis. Late upload to pag nasa flight ka na. Mapayak pa sila. Wala. Hindi ako iiyak. Each other again. Don't cry 'cause it's not. Akin dito lang ha. Everything. Hala, ba't may Jose na iyak siya? Ba't sa amin hindi? Stay with you. Friends with you. With you, my friend. With only you. Yeah!
I love you, sir.
Oy, kiss mo si sir! Thank you, goodbye, kiss! Ay, bakit wala?
Never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I love you. And
dapat kayo talaga eh. Nagpakasal ka pa. Masala, Jimbosa, Jimbosa. Ay, Elvis Jimbosa, basi mo. Jimbosa.
keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad. so far the way I take you. And the time is far apart.
Ganda ng tubig, wallet. Di ba ganun? Taas ang ating mga kamay. Sabay-sabay natin magkite.
Alis na ako. Pass. Mahirap.